Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is August the 18th, 2022. We're going to talk about FUBO stock today. We're going to talk about whether or not we need to sell here because just like Bed Bath & Beyond, this stock is also breaking out. A lot of stocks are acting this way, and a lot of people are going to be caught holding the bag because they're going to try to jump in on this train when it has already left the station. That is why it's so important for us to learn how to be predictors and forecasters of these stocks so that we know when to get in and when to get out. Is this an opportunity now to come in and sell FUBO? Should we sell the stock now? Because the market has already had a fantastic run up. Take a look at this. So from August the 2nd to August the 16th, 14 days, this market ran up 230%, 14 days in FUBO. Now, you guys can see yesterday was a terrible day for the buyers. Market closed down 15, almost 16%. What are we going to expect now? Well, first of all, I want you all to join me because this is what I do. I do price prediction. You guys can go look at all my other videos and content and you will all see that I do this for real. I do price predictions. I don't focus in on anything else. I simply focus in on the price. Nothing more, nothing less. So if you guys want to join me, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Now, real quick, the market topped out in FUBO. Okay, let me extend this out a little bit further, around $8. Okay, now why would that happen here? Why would the market in FUBO top out here on August the 16th at $8? Why? Because it did that already back in March, beginning of this year. The market in FUBO topped out there at $8. Okay, now the question is, are we done with seeing the price in FUBO go up? Right? Because if it is, we need to sell the market now and grab the profitability out this play. Now I want to show you that currently we're still in a uptrend, a massive uptrend in FUBO. So even though the price came down 15, almost 16% yesterday, we still have that trend in place. Okay, so now we will be thinking, maybe this might be a prime opportunity to jump in, right? Maybe. Today's going to be the day for us to know. So, $5 is going to be important for us to see FUBO hold. Buyers got to hold $5. Because if they do, then that would take us back into the prospect of us seeing the market run back up towards 8. That's the agenda for today, is for us to see the buyers come in and hold $5. Okay, so you guys can see the market came down and we bounced right there around $5.25. $5 is there, no lower than $4.50. Okay, so this is kind of like a waiting game for us to be convinced that the buyers are still stepping in this stock. Because if they are, they're going to convince us right here around 5, no lower than 450. Okay, so as the market in FUBO trades today, we have to be focused in on looking at where the buyers are going to be. Okay, because if they're there at 5 down to $4.60, that is where we need to be buyers then, right here. So if you're not in the play right now in FUBO, you could wait. I know you want to jump in because the market ran up 230% in a couple of days. I know it. But this is how you have to get control of your emotions, because you think you're missing out on a move. The market is going to tell us when we need to be participating and when we shouldn't. And by the market going down 15, almost 16% yesterday, it's telling us we need to wait. We need to wait until the buyers step back in and convince us that they're still willing to buy. Because this is real money coming into the market. You know that, right? This is not paper trading. We actually have people placing actual dollars in this stock in the hopes of grabbing profitability. Some are selling dollars as price goes down, and others are buying. So the war is being waged between both sides. And currently, from what happened yesterday into the market in FUBO, the sellers are beating out the buyers. That is why I'm here to tell you, we need to see the buyers beat out the sellers around $5 to like $4.50. That's it. We have nothing else to do until we see that occur, because if it does not occur, we know that the sellers are going to continue to push price down because they're currently controlling the market. The sellers are. So if the buyers don't come in and knock out the sellers at $5 to $4.50, we understand that we're going to continue to break down and price is going to continue to go lower in FUBO. And as price in FUBO ran up, right? Since August the 2nd, since price ran up, as price go up, that is when you take profitability. Because now those who are holding, because they've been led astray, they're being led by others who think that the short squeeze is going to continue across other stocks in the market. They're going to continue to hold and hold and hold until they be like the AMC apes, to where they're still holding out for a short squeeze for the last 2 years. Now, of course, we all can play and expect what we want to occur into the market in FUBO, right? We can. But currently, the market here is weak. Okay? So we need to be convinced that buyers are still in the market today. Okay? So looking at this on the 2-day chart, right? Market currently is weak. We're seeing selling come into the market in FUBO. The last 2-3-day price bars, we're seeing that. I want us to see buyers first before we come in and play the buy side. They haven't shown up yet. It is what it is. Okay? So currently, this is just a wait and see. If you're not into FUBO stock yet, just wait and see. There will always be plays. There will always be opportunities. You don't have to feel like you missed the boat, because if the buyers are still in play at $5 to $4.50, then guess what? The boat came back to the dock to pick us up. Okay? So now I'm not going to touch it. I want your thoughts though, because as I always do in my videos, I want to get your price prediction. You guys don't have to follow what I think, or I want you all to have your own intellectual mindset as to what you're seeing on the chart. I'm just giving you my perspective as to what I'm seeing and noticing on the chart. And at the end of the videos is your opportunity to show me what you think. So tell me, where are we going to go in FUBO? Are the buyers going to hold $5? Are they going to hold $4.50? Because if so, that's good news for the buyers. If they don't, that's better news for the sellers and bad news for the buyers. Let's see how this plays out. I'm not going to touch it yet, but we'll see. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.